Gurzia, very honestly, is like a dream project because, of course, सब कह रहे हैं कि हर्षवर्धन जी का launch है और सैमी का launch है. But definitely it's also my launch. This is my first Bollywood project and I'm super excited about it. And to have a launch pad like this with Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra banner and Rakesh sir himself, it's a dream come true. And very frankly, actually not even a dream. I can't even dream of this, and it just happened to me. So I would say that it's an opportunity which every artist would probably be hoping for somewhere. So I can't complain anything about it.
तो जैसे ये बॉलीवुड में आपका एक तरीके से डेब्यूट हुआ है, ये पहला आपका ये आर्टिस्ट हो. सो सोचा था कभी कि पहला चांस मिलेगा वो भी इतना बड़ा मिलेगा बॉलीवुड में?
No, that's exactly what I'm saying. I didn't have to go through an audition process. I didn't have to go through, requests. I've never done this homework of doing PR in the Bollywood market. It so happened that Rakesh ji called up. I just got this call back in Bangalore. मैं Bangalore से हूँ. So I just got a call one day and it was a call saying we're calling from Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra office and Rakesh sir wants to talk to you. So we'll call you back in 5 minutes. And in my head I was like, this must be a prank call. And in 5 minutes exactly, sir calls up and says, I have a project. If you're interested, I want you to work with me on this. Would you be? The question pucha, it's not even, it was, who would ever have second thoughts about working with Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra? So I said, yes sir, of course, and I came down and we had a reading and I understood the responsibility and the magnanimity of the project. Even though it's a simple, beautiful, poetic, lyrical love story which Gulzar Saab has written, I think the way it is retold by Rakesh sir is brilliant. And in that, the role of choreography is very, very prominent. If you've seen the film, we are not just background dancers. Sir has used us literally as storytellers. We are the free spirit of love. The dancers have a character and a personality in themselves. So सूत्रधार जो कहते हैं ना, तो it's almost like that. And the choreography also is not the regular Bollywood film choreography. So we were asked to avoid any latka, thumka, all these regular stuff, and we don't even do that. So I had a contemporary dance company back home, and we are interested in creating what is contemporary dancing in context of Indian dance forms. So हमारा research, हमारा understanding and exploration is more towards that. So उसमें से we have picked up movements and the process has been very interesting, and whatever has come out has been a very organic process. तो सर ने brief दिया, हमने जो भी सोचा किया. From that, the material has been taken out and you can see the result. So I hope people like it. It's
How was the experience? कैसा experience रहा आपका राकेश ओम प्रकाश जी के साथ में काम करने का पूरी कास्ट के साथ?
very, very normal. There were no celebrity tantrums, no star tantrums, which is what we expected from Bollywood. But it was a very normal, disciplined team. And what I notice is Rakesh sir's team is very youthful, very energetic, and they're always buzzing with ideas. So pura team, all their ADs to every member of cast and crew is there to contribute and add value to the vision. And there is more to the artistic vision than the artist himself, which is very rare. Because I think जब star बन जाते हैं तो it's not even something which is good or bad, but the star takes over a film. So it is fantastic that he's got collaborators of different kinds with different capacities and experience, and they've all added their personal journeys into the work. and they've all beautifully contributed to the vision. So we are all very different. Even the cinematographer to calling a Bangalore dance choreographer to a dance team, and even Raju Sundaram sir, who brought in the vision of the whole choreography. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसा look चाहिए before I choreograph. So it was a very organic way of working, and sir gives a lot of space for creativity. तो राकेश जी नहीं कहते कि ऐसा ही होगा, ऐसा ही करना चाहिए. So he'll just give you an idea and say, why don't you improvise and do whatever you want on that. So that is a fantastic space for every creative mind to be in. So
कितना चैलेंजिंग मानती है इस जर्नी
कितना
चैलेंजिंग मानती है इस जर्नी
my journey in the Bollywood scene has just begun, and I'm not looking at every other Bollywood project. तो quantity important नहीं है, तो quality and different work, interesting work बहुत important है मेरे लिए. And it becomes challenging when it is unusual, when it is unique, and when the thought process is very interesting. So that seed, that initiation starts from the director. So anybody with an interesting personality and interesting thinking pattern is able to make that infectious to every collaborator in the team. So I would say that, so that we do justice to that idea, वो challenging है बहुत for every creator, every choreographer. So I would say with Rakesh sir, it was definitely challenging in a sense that वो कहते गए कि it should not have form. तो मैं जब choreography कर रही हूँ, and we are all from stage, our bodies are trained with classical dance forms, with martial art forms, with contemporary dance forms. So my dancers have been trained to do this for years. So when you come to us and tell us that abhi form mat karo, so it is like tying your hands and saying, tying your eyes, your hands and your legs, and throwing you in a space and saying abhi dance. So there was a restriction in terms of that, but that every challenge, every limitation pushes a creative mind. So that itself was a motivation as well.
एजेंसी हो गई कि you're not Bollywood dancer, you're a Indian category. So कितना मुश्किल था मतलब बॉलीवुड में डालना, खुद को बॉलीवुड डांसर की तरह डांस करना, कितना मुश्किल वो कितना मुश्किल
Well, it was not very difficult, because I think if you see the film, it is not treated in a regular Bollywood way. If we were to do Bollywood, it would have been difficult, because that's not our training, and I don't think like that as a choreographer. So I am not doing Bollywood dance in a Bollywood film. I'm being me, myself in the film, and I am projecting the idea which sir has given. So I would say that it was pretty good. It was smooth.
क्या डिटेलिंग करनी पड़ी इसकी डिटेलिंग क्या करनी पड़ी आपको जैसे कि बॉलीवुड फिल्म में करना है, एक अलग ही छोड़ रहे हैं, अलग ही सारा सब कुछ अलग है. सो क्या डिटेलिंग करना पड़ा आपको?
See, detailing in terms of the movement was a lot of contact improvisation art. We did put in a lot of abhinaya, Indian dance ka abhinaya, which could even be expressions, but the way Indian dance में emotion करते, तो we had to start from that point and make it very natural. तो dance बहुत stylized है, तो उसको natural करना था. We had to make it very colloquial in a way, and we had to improvise according to the space. So वो detailing थोड़ा study करना था. अगर हम fantasy land में जाकर एक if we imagine one character lived like this and he's doing this in a story, that imagination brings in a lot of detail, even in the costume, in the look, in the movement, in the method of walking, to the presentation, to the way of dancing, to the rhythm of dancing. All this again is put into music. So detailing is there in every craft, but the main detailing comes from the storyline. Second, comes from the movement.